sample le be tie. I cannot around to just a sample. I don't know any pay operating these days. Can you give a brief explanation? Just.
This is a maize thresher. We use them during post-harvest handling of maize. After harvest, you dry your maize cob. After drying fully, then you can connect your machine using the power source that you may be having, whether electricity or generator.
So it uses both electricity and generator?
Yes. You can connect from this. This is the system.
What about solar?
Part of it. Any power source that can provide enough work and supply enough power to this machine. So we have this site. After the maize is fully dried, the maize cob. Then you can put from here when the machine is running. You can put from here. Then it has a slot here for beating. It will thresh. After threshing, it will go to another slot of winnowing. After winnowing, it will now go to another slot. This other one here, it will clean. After cleaning, the finished or the maize seeds will be collected from here using the what? The bags. Fully clean, ready to be what? Grind for portion. This machine is made in such a way that it also controls or protects human what? Health, or the operator what? Health. This other side we see, it is where the shaft or the dust from what? During the process of threshing will move through this pipe and will be collected in this what?
Small bag.
Yes. Then after the operation, when you operated your machine without any dust, all these things will be collected here. Then you can untie this part, you unzip it. After that, you will be able to what? To remove your dust from here, then you throw them away. But as we are doing a zero waste principle, we can take this thing back to the farm, to the field, to provide the organic matter that can later on be used by crop for proper growth as nutrients. So this is how this machine can be operated.
Thank you very much.